just as shocked as you are because I have the brand new Ipsy Glam bag and the Ipsy icon box right here. I'm a little confused about this, so before I dive into that, if you guys want to see what today's unboxing are and is this bag and box even worth it, well then definitely keep watching. Okay, so the reason I'm confused is because I've been on the Ipsy / BoxyCharm PR list since 2020. And then I know that BoxyCharm and Ipsy ended up merging under one company. Ipsy bought out BoxyCharm. And then I got thrown into like a new affiliate style program. And they were just like, hey, we're only going to send you pretty much this. And I was like, okay, cool. Bet. No big deal. It is what it is. It is what it is. I'm just grateful for the time that I have with you guys. And then I randomly started getting this. And I was like, okay. And I never knew when I was going to get this. It just would come randomly. But then I started getting like 2 or 3 Ipsy bags a month. I recently just did an Ipsy unboxing and I keep getting multiple of these, so I don't know if this is the October bag or the November bag. I keep getting sent like 2 or 3 a month and I'm a little confused because I don't know why that keeps happening. And I will say I am very grateful that I got the icon box. Again, I never know if I'm going to get this. I didn't even know they're doing it in icon box. I guess it's November. It's every 3 months, so I guess it makes sense. But either way, I am just a little confused about the whole affiliate PR thing. I'm just grateful for anything that comes away, and I never know if I'm going to get something. But either way, thank you so much to Ipsy for sending this my way. I'm so excited. If you guys did not see, I recently just unboxed the Ipsy 25 Days of Advent Beauty calendar. I spent $150 on that calendar. And if you guys want to see my thoughts, please head over to that video because I definitely have some thoughts. And do I think it's still worth $150? Well, I'll let you guys watch that video. So with that said, let's dive into this month's Ipsy Glam bag and the icon box. So I think these still retail for $14 a piece. I have no say on what I get or don't get. I don't have the option to pick out anything. They just send stuff when they just send stuff. So let's see what we got. So first things first, I will say, oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is a little fuzzy bag. Oh my God, it's actually really cute. Okay, wait, this is so cute. All right, so on the inside, we got a Not So Vanilla Kinsey. What is this? Is this a little perfume? Ooh, this is going to be a little perfume. That smells really good. This is supposed to be vanilla or not vanilla? It doesn't tell me what the scent... Oh, wait. Does it say right here? This is going to be tart cranberry mixed with berries. Mid notes are crisp red apple and cloudberry. Base notes are vanilla, tank beans, and blonde woods. This smells really good. So this is not a vanilla perfume. This is just maybe what the brand is called. I don't know. This smells incredible. This is a perfect like winter perfume. Wow. That smells so good. Okay, cool. Next, we got something from Pixi. This is going to be the Glowy Lip Oil. And we have the shade called Minty. This is going to be a roll-on lip oil. From what I remember, it wasn't really sticky. It has a beautiful high shine to it. It doesn't have longevity to it, but I still enjoyed playing with this. So that's actually really exciting to see. This is a full-size product, by the way. All right, so first off, we're up to a really good start here so far. Okay, so next, I got something from La Rousse. This looks to be a beauty sponge, right? I think so. This is going to be a beauty sponge. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I don't get the point of beauty sponges like this. Maybe you have to get in the little nitty gritty, the nooks and cranny of the eye. I totally understand that. But what's with the shapes? Like, what purpose does this have? I generally don't know. I'm not saying that to be like an ass or to sound like I'm stupid or anything like that. I generally don't know what the purpose of these shapes are. So if you guys ever seen these type of shapes, let me know. What are they used for? Like, what type of blending or contouring or what is the exact purpose of this style sponge? If you can let me know, because I generally make sure if I'm going to use it, I'm going to use it properly. So that's actually really cool. This seems like to be another full-size product in here. Next, we have something from Hydra Hold. This is a hydrating setting mist from Sophia and Mabel. Is this a full size? Because wow, that is definitely, it looks like a full size product in here. That's insane. That's insane. That's a pretty decent size for what? This is like a $14 bag. Like what? That's actually really cool. So we have a setting spray in here that seems to be a full size setting spray. We have a makeup sponge. We have a beautiful smelling perfume along with the full size of the Pixi lip oil. Not a bad bag at all. Like what? That's actually really good. Oh wait, I got one more thing. Watermelon and aloe leaf extract with hyaluronic acid. This is a eye mask. Oh, sweet. Listen, y'all. It would not be an Ipsy or a BoxyCharm unboxing if I did not get an eye mask in one of these boxes or bags. I will say I'm grateful for it. These eyes, they can use it. So That's really cool. That's exciting. Very, very fitting for a Ipsy unboxing. All right, so up next we have the icon box right here. I have no idea who the celebrity icon is for this box. I have no idea. So I'm really curious to see who is curating this box. Typically the icon boxes tend to be really freaking good. So I am so excited to see what we have in here. Although I will say this $14 bag, it was a really good bag. Natasha Denona, this is her box. What? Whoa, wait. If there's not a Natasha Denona product in here, I'm gonna be very upset because like this is supposed to be your box and you're not gonna have your brand in here. Bestie, what are you doing? So we have a little gifting guide on the back and I'm just gonna quickly browse through here. So in here, it looks like they're advertising the Yucca palette as maybe one of the potential products are in here. We have the the foundation that she just launched in here. We also have the gloss, the highlighter, the concealer, a really beautiful red lipstick in here. I have the lipstick for sure. And I also have that beautiful golden gloss. We also have brands like Tatcha and Dr. Jart, along Pathology, 8-Faced Billionaire. We have Rodile Glass, Say Beauty, Persona Beauty. Interesting. I'm so excited to see what we got in this box. Okay. We're going to do this. I'm just going to look at you. We're going to stare at the same time. And I'm just going to pull items out as I go. Okay, so up first, we have something from Laura Mercier. This was not on your list. Okay, wait, this is not on your list. Am I missing something? Okay, so from Laura Mercier, we have a caviar smoothing matte lipstick in the shade called Blush Chanel. Okay, so I don't think this is on here, but we have this Laura Mercier product right here. This is a pretty decent sized lipstick, and I will say it's a really pretty color. Like, it's a really pretty color. Not bad, not bad. I actually don't own anything from Laura Mercier, so I might have to check this out. We'll see. Okay. All right, that's kind of exciting. Really pretty color. Okay. All right. I'm not peeking. We're gonna look at each other in the eyes. Next, I pulled out something from Persona. This is gonna be the tubing mascara. I don't think I've ever used this. This retails for $24, and let's see what this product looks like. That looks almost identical to my Benefit Roller Lash. Like, that looks almost identical to my Benefit Roller Lash. Okay, that's actually really exciting. I'm definitely going to try this out. If you guys know me, you guys know how much I love trying out different mascaras, so this is definitely a must for me to try out. All right, what do we have? If I can get anything in here, I really want to get the Natasha Denona highlighter. I've always people talk about that, maybe even the foundation. I didn't get to pick the foundation shade. So, well, I didn't get to pick anything from this box. So hopefully, I don't know. We'll see what I get. Okay, so up next, I have the Natasha Denona Golden Glimmer Gloss right here. I actually got this last year. It's a really beautiful, it's a plumping lip gloss. I actually have mine. Right here. Okay, so this is mine. Whoa, why are they two different colors? Besties. Why are they two different colors? Oh, there was more than one shade? I didn't know that. So I have the shade BO87 and this one right here says BO61. There was two different shades? Am I just an idiot? I'm an idiot. I thought mine was expired. I'm not gonna lie, that was my low-key like discolor because it was expired. I was like, oh god, ooh, I just put this on my lips recently. Okay, wait, okay, that's cool. Awesome, that's actually really exciting. This came out with their golden collection last year, so that's really exciting to see that in here. I feel a little bit better. I thought mine had completely discolored. I was like, oh no, I might have to throw mine away. Okay, so up next, I got something from, got a box. I don't know what the box is, but let's find out. Okay, wait. What did we get? We got the Pastel Pexi Glow Highlighter. Ew. Oh, that is not what I expected. That's not what I expected. I, for some reason, thought that it would be... I thought that it would be this. That right there. That's not that right there. That is a different highlight. Well, that's okay. That's pretty, but that would be way too deep on me. Like, realistically, I wouldn't really be able to use that. So, I'm going to go ahead and probably pass this one along. Oh, I got so excited. I got so excited. I thought I was getting the highlighter, but that's okay. That's okay. I still think it's a really good deal for what it is. It's not in here, but that's cute. I mean, I still got it. I mean, I guess I manifested it. So anyway, that's cool. Up next, I got something from 8 Faces. This is the Skin Brightening Brilliance Serum. So I saw this on here. This is going to mix a few drops with concealer to create a custom skin tint for light, breathable coverage. What? This retails for $108. Why? Whoa, why do you retail for so much? This is so weird. What? I've never heard of this before. How the... Oh, you smell like oranges, though. Wow. You smell rich. Y'all, this smells rich. Ooh, that smells really rich. That smells really good. So I just mixed a few drops of concealer to create a custom skin tint for light, breathable coverage. I don't know what that means, but I guess we're going to have to try this out. I'm going to look this up online to figure out how to properly use this, but I guess it's really cool. Thank you for the really expensive eye serum. Your girl could use it, so thank you. Alrighty, so up next we have something from we have something from Dr. Jart. This is going to be the ceramide. This is skin barrier moisturizing eye cream. What did I say? What did I say, besties? This would not be my video if I did not have something for the eyes. Okay, so this says, dot along the cheekbones as a subtle, dewy highlighter when you're bare face. Dr. Jart Ceramide Skin Barrier Moisturizing Eye Cream. Okay, these descriptions don't add up to what this is supposed to be. I'm so confused by the description. This is just supposed to help the look of fine lines and wrinkles. So why do I need a dot along the eye for that? That make sense. That doesn't make sense to me. I don't know who did the description, but this isn't supposed to give you highlight, is it? I'm all about firming the eyes and the wrinkles, and Natasha Denona recommends this and swears by it. I mean, I do kind of take her word because, I mean, she's a celebrity makeup artist. She has her own brand. She kind of knows what she's talking about. She has a beautiful face. So I would definitely be interested in trying out this eye cream. If I need to help out my little crow's feet there without using Botox, say less. Say less. Okay, so up next we have Bisha. This is the Essential Eye Designer Duo. The first time I ever heard about this brand was literally in the advent calendar from Ipsy, and now this is in here. I've never heard this brand before. That's crazy. Okay. Uptown Black and Uptown Brown. What does that mean? Is it like are these eyeliners? Or are they liquid liners? They're liquid liners. Damn, that sucks. Well, that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and pass these along. So it's going to be a black eyeliner and a brown eyeliner, and it's been recommended on this chart right here that's sitting in front of me. So hey, if she really likes these, then that's really exciting. I'm definitely going to pass this along though. Okay, last but not least, we have a palette. And I believe this is going to be the Yucca palette, if I had to guess. It is the Yucca palette. Now, I already reviewed this palette, I think like 2 years ago. This one does not smell. Mine had a weird smell. Remember I told you guys mine had like a really weird chemical smell? This does actually not smell at all. This is a very, very beautiful palette, but since I already own this palette, there's no sense in me keeping this. So I am gonna go ahead and pass this along. I'm gonna put this like in a little giveaway box because I don't need to keep something that I already own. But it's actually really exciting that they put this in here. If you guys have never tried Natasha Denona, this is a very, very beautiful palette to try. I really love this, and I think this ranked in my top 2023 palettes. I think it was like ranked in my top 3. So that's really exciting to see this in here. So we got an eyeshadow palette, we got an eyeliner duo, we got a really expensive serum, an eye cream, we have a lipstick, we have a gloss, we have a mascara, followed by a highlighter right here. So honestly, this is really not a bad, honestly, this is a fantastic box. But you know, I'm not surprised because this is curated by Natasha Denona, and I'm not surprised to see this in here. Do I wish I saw a little bit other products in here? Yes, I would love to see like the stiletto lipstick or the foundation or the concealer, because I have not tried any of those. So I'd love to see that in here, or the different highlighter, maybe Natasha in here. But you know what? This is getting me to try different things I may have not tried before, so it's actually really, really exciting. But overall, I have to say both the Ipsy Glam bag and the Icon box this month, they were fantastic. Yo, they were absolutely fantastic. So let me know what your thoughts are about these bags and boxes down below. Do you guys still get this brand? If you do, let me know down below. But that, besties, is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. So I do post 3 to 4 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channels, R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.